Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Snapchat account. You're actually not able to do this from within the app, so this is how you do it. Open up a web browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com. Here you need to log into your Snapchat account if you are not already logged in. You may need to get a confirmation SMS now if you have two-factor authentication turned on for your account. Now you are logged into Snapchat on the web, you can simply scroll down to the button that says Delete My Account. You'll need to enter your password again to continue. Your account is now deactivated and it will be permanently deleted within 30 days unless you log back into your account. So you can cancel the deletion by simply logging back in within 30 days. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.